Here's the sauce to get approved for a high limit credit card at Navy Federal, even if you got bad credit. So if you got bad or even fair credit, I'm about to show you the steps to get approved for a high limit credit card at Navy Federal. So the first thing you want to do is you want to call them or apply online for one of their pledge loans. As soon as you receive your funding, pay back 97% of that balance to your pledge loan. Now, here's an example. If they give you $1,000 for your pledge loan, 97% of that will be $970. Over the next month or two, we're going to start paying back their remaining balance. Either we can go to the next month and pay back $30, which will close out the entire loan, or we can expand this for the next 2 months and pay back $15 a month, which will still have the same result. But either way, you want to pay back the loan as soon as possible. So the hack to doing all of this is once you do this and your balance is showing paid in full, you could almost guarantee that you're going to get one of their high limit credit cards. And this same exact strategy is what landed me my $15,000 card. At that time, I only had a 560 credit score. But go ahead and save this video to follow these steps later so this can help you through the process